Hello viewers and welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata's YouTube video 613th, and today once again Kalamkari and handwork Lambani Kalamkari. So 606th video, heartfelt gratitude, बहुत अच्छा response मिला. So with all the courage I'm doing another Kalamkari fusion today, as well as your favorite Lambanis. And today's today's Lambani will be on tussars, which we missed out in the last Lambani. I showed Drossels. First sari tussar Lambani, बहुत prints बहुत embroidery आया है, बहुत colors आया है, variety. So see the video properly. Number 1, magenta color with lovely handwork all over. पल्ला is बहुत सुंदर, double पल्ला, big पल्लू, 1.25 मीटर तक करीबन पल्ला का काम है पूरा all over. 11,900 rates, same for the past 2-3 years for Lambani, and comes with a piping and finishing. ब्लाउज पीस इसका सब भरा हुआ ब्लाउज है, पूरा काम है ब्लाउज में. सुपर्ब साड़ीज है ना. नेक्स्ट वन कोलकाता ब्लू. सब में कॉन्सेप्ट सेम है, काम और कलर्स अलग अलग होगा. Blouse looks very nice, you know, see the border. और ये सब साड़ी पॉलिश होके ही आता है, लेकिन क्या होता है ना, इतना महीना से ये काम में जाता है तो थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट हो जाता है, लेकिन it's already polished, wear few times and then give for polish once. Number 2. Number 3. This color is very cute color. It's a light buttery color, lemonish butter, lemon color, you can say lemon. Number 3. Nice, na? Narrow borders with Kutch work buttas and Lambani border blouse piece. Next is the sea green. See, the work is changing for all saris क्योंकि बहुत सारा कारीगर्स काम करता है. We have many handwork embroiders working for Sanskriti over many years, and with your support we've been, you know, कितना सारा families चलता है, so it gives us immense pleasure. This is number 4, Tussar Lambani. Number 4. Sundays we are closed, Monday to Saturday 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Cash on delivery option only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. Courier charges you need to pay. Tailoring unit available in both the branches. The menswear section and the jewelry section only in the Cornfield Road branch. From August, we'll be keeping every day, mid-August, I think 11th of August, From 11th of August, Sanskriti will remain open till Durga Puja every Sunday also. Take the screenshot, WhatsApp only, no phone calls. 7603042696. Communicate in one number, not multiple numbers. Where you are getting the booking, only there you send your payment details so that there is no confusion. Don't keep sending your payment details to all the numbers you know. So just one number, please connect, and we'll courier it after 2 to 3 days. Internationally, we are shipping regularly. Every day we are, international shipments are being dispatched. So the shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. This is a very nice chapa full color, kesar, light kesar, not orangish. This is yellowish kesar type color, very pretty color. Number 6. Number 7, navy. इसमें बूटा नहीं है, हाँ, सिर्फ border. Many people don't like bootas, so that option is also there. But the blouse will be heavy. Thirty 32 sarees I open and show you in every video. So check the video properly, no returns, see the video properly. First come, first serve basis. After payment only, we'll confirm your booking. And cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Note our address. If you are willing to visit our store for purchasing, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. This is a beautiful piece. Quickly take the screenshot, WhatsApp only. We have our Facebook live videos from Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Very good response we are getting because I've been a bit frequent. Over the years, I've not done much Facebook live, but recently, thoda sa kar rahe. Puja is here, so, but also our Instagram page. Check out our reels. बहुत सारा, we work very, very hard throughout the day to give you variety of, idea of क्या-क्या है हमारा stock में अब. So, stay with us. Number 9. Rust color, beautiful. All the sarees, the shades are very nice, and all these are pure tussar. Powder blue color. Number 10. So these are the kalamkari collection. 10 pieces of beautiful kalamkaris for you today with very rich blouse piece. Next, I'll show you Sambalpuri hand painted kalamkari in tussar. Sambalpuri tussar with hand painted kalamkari. And the blouse piece, charcoal color of course, the woven Sambalpuri border will be there. This is a very classy, beautiful piece. Now look at the pleat part. Half sari all over painting. From the pleat comes the lower part, and the woven. This is from Sambalpuri, is from Orissa. This tussar, and of course the woven tussar border we've not disturbed. We just added hand painting all over the body of the sari. Very pretty concept. This one is Vidarbha Kalamkari. Tussar Vidarbha with Kalamkari. Mustard with blouse piece. Ganga Jamuna border. Tussar Vidarbha. Beautiful. Festive collections for the upcoming festivals. One by one, there are so many occasions, so many beautiful, and party season is also coming. So you can check out these collection, all beautiful new stock. We show regularly, handcrafted item made with love. This is unique. Lovely tussar with kalamkari and mirror work. Just outline is done. Very, very unique. The border is handwork. The mirror work is Ari mirror. 12,900 tussar. New concept. How do you like it? Let me know. Don't miss out to comment. This is the blouse piece. Hand up, pretty. The color and the overall look is very sober. The outline is done in a charcoal black color. Next color option. Yoke part में ना ये peacock पड़ेगा. This color is a mint green color. Beautiful, very stylish sari. Number 14. Iska pre-booking I can take, but it will take around 1 month time. And by the way, 606th episode, last Kalamkari. So the cutworks, those who were inquiring about the cutworks and nobody got the cutworks, there were around, I think 10-11 pieces of cutwork. Tussar cutwork Kalamkari, Kala Hasti has arrived. So if you want, we can send you the pictures. Kalamkari Katha. So today's episode, again you see, new fusions we brought up. Katha Kalamkari in pure tussar. Blouse. Blouse ka back side or sleeves में the paint and the work will come. All over, beautiful. Tussar Katha Kalamkari. Colors lovely. जरी बॉर्डर है, इसमें जरी बॉर्डर है और पेंटिंग के ऊपर काथा. देखिए सीधा कॉन्सेप्ट. This is check tussar, the one that I'm wearing with hand painted palla. Check tussar kalamkari, hand painted palla and blouse. New once again. This combination is also very, very nice. The grey with Firoza. This is the blouse piece, hand painted kalamkari in check tussar, zari check tussar. This is the body, and here goes the pallu. Blue. Price of these are 8990. So for budget friendly pure tussar sarees with hand painting kalamkari, this is a good option. पूरा hand paint भी है, कलमकारी भी है और कॉन्सेप्ट भी बहुत सुंदर है. ब्लाउज पूरा पेंटिंग है, पल्ला, and you can wear it for corporate wear also. The one that I'm wearing comes with this blouse. The saree that I'm wearing, mustard with coffee, 8990. This is the blouse piece with the mustard saree that I'm wearing. This is the pallu. The jewelry. This is a double mala. You can wear it separately. तो ये अलग माला है जो आप mother daughter can wear, sisters can wear, or you can wear it together when you're going to a wedding or a reception. थोड़ा heavy jewelry पहना हो तो ये दो, and इस पे छोटा छोटा rice pearls है, बहुत सुंदर. और ये अलग से आप पहनो, ये अलग से पहनो या एक साथ पहनो. Comes with this, it's a temple jewelry with this 6200 is the set of 3, and it comes with a tikli. So it's basically set of 4. See the finishing, it's beautiful, isn't it? Very pretty. Khub sundar. The 2, 3, 4. 6200. Sari price 8990. Okay, the next I'll show you 2 raw silks with hand painted kalamkari pallu. Actually, it's Pichwai pallu. Raw silk pure with zari border with Pichwai hand painted pallu. Price of this is, I show more colors in 10,900. This is the blouse piece. Pure raw silk with Pichwai pallu. This is a midnight blue and this is a snuff color. Pure raw silk. This is not tussar, this is silk. Comes with this blouse piece. 10,900. Very artistic sarees basically. Okay, next will be the fusion handwork. Tussar printing with handwork. Katha, Parsi. Very trendy pieces. It has zari border, pure tussar. 9,950 rupees. See, all the prices are mentioned, so you don't have to ask me about the prices. Whatever is quoted, that's the final price. Blouse piece will have 2 buttas in the sleeves. Very smart piece. This is the sari. Coffee and grey. What a combination with highlights of red embroidery. Okay, kalamkari printing, digital with Pitanjali. The green shade is excellent. The border is digitally printed. 16,900 Pitanjali work is a bit expensive, and the tussar is desi. and the blouse piece is just beautiful. Very, very classy piece. Self print in the body with self mirror work, border pallu and rich blouse. Class apart. Black. है ना सुंदर, very very pretty, very nice. These are very different type sarees because of the festive season. थोड़ा सा rich look sarees, rich colors, rich concepts बनाया. ये सब बहुत unique है, इसका combination, इसका printing, इसका style, pattern एकदम अलग टाइप का है. और पिटन जरी में जो ये rich look है, देखिए इसमें ब्लाउज में एक sleek border भी है सब में. इसका प्रिंट बहुत सुंदर है. कश्मीरी टाइप डिजाइन बॉर्डर. Number 22. Oh, we have some nice Madhubanis also. Missed out Madhubanis. Chapa Tassar hand painted Madhubani border pallu. Blouse. So if you want piping tassels to be done, 300 rupees extra. But this particular saree doesn't need it. It's very pretty. ऐसे बहुत सुंदर है इसका पेंटिंग. These are Bharni work, hand painted Bharni work. All over. Achol. So this is a bit brighter chart all over में. बहुत सुंदर पेंटिंग है, very neat finishing. And this piece is a very sober piece, very very pretty piece, beautiful, very sober. Blouse. We have video call options and tailoring unit, menswear section, jewelry section. So please visit our branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, 2 branches in Kolkata. Again another all over. So I'm showing all over. I'm showing this kind of border pallu. ये very similar to the first border pallu, but the colors are different. The color used are different, but since you click the picture and maybe this flower is orange and this flower is red, and then you will give me a scolding that why you send इसमें तो मैंने तो orange flower select किया. इसलिए I show all the colors. I don't want to get any scoldings. Even there's little difference, I try to show all the colors. Yeah, when we are taking orders, sometimes I announce only that exactly same, like in batik. Exact same motif and color will not come. So if you're okay with that, then it's okay. Otherwise, when you're seeing something, I want you to get the exact same piece which you've selected, which is why we always number every product. And you see, if you see our items, every piece is barcoded. The GST invoice will be sent with your shipment, and see there's the number also, 27 number 613. So we do a lot of homework before we publish any video. Now look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful handloom tussar. This is lovely. Look at the border. Beautiful tussar with Kachni Madhubani painting. The body has a clamp dyeing, tie and dyeing. Beautiful piece. 11,900 with blouse piece. Now let me tell you, the border is just like pure Vidarbha tussar handloom saris, but this is printed. The body is painted. Okay, so maybe from the camera it may show weaving, but no, the border is printed. Otherwise, the saris, those Vidarbha tussar saris are all 13,000-14,000, only the sari, and then painting with mirror work, so you can understand the price will go up a lot. So this is the concept of the sari. Very unusual piece, very, very unusual piece, range wise. I have another color option, which is the purplish, isn't it? Yeah. Desi tussar, printed border, Madhubani Kachni work with mirror and dyeing. Body dye, tie and dye. Superb sarees. Lastly, Pattu Petni with triple line Munia border and Shri Kalahasti Kalamkari, heavy silk, pure Petni. Now let me tell you, since there's a lot of painting and multiple times dipped in milk, so this part slightly will be crushed because of the zari. And see the achol, number 30. See the weaving handloom achol, Petni achol. Body all over hand painting. One of a kind sari. One of a kind. And here is the blouse piece. So, Shri Kalahasti Kalamkari paintings, they have a smell because it's washed multiple times in milk. So, that will be there. Pure Kalamkari in heavy Petni silk. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.